What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Jackson. In this video, I'm gonna go through how I was able to get an American Express Gold Card retention offer on the third try. So if you guys haven't seen a video that I uploaded a couple weeks ago talking about me canceling my American Express Gold Card, I'll leave a link for that down below. This will be a continuation onto that video, but I made the decision that I was going to try and get a retention offer for my Gold Card. If I didn't get one, I was gonna go forward and cancel the card. So starting a couple weeks ago, I messaged American Express saying that my annual fee for the Gold Card will be posting soon, and I'm considering canceling this card. Wanted to hear if there was any retention offers to help me make a better decision. So I messaged with the rep. I messaged the Chase Sapphire Preferred card saying that there was a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. And then the Charles Schwab is my main source of using the points. So you used to get 1.25 cents per point. Now you only get 1.1 cents per point. So they are devaluing this. And this was going to be my main case for trying to go for a retention offer. The consultant then switched me over to a membership consultant, Kevin. Kevin and I spoke about the Charles Schwab, everything I just mentioned before. He asked me how much I spend on the card, what my initial reaction to it was. I said that I used it, that I am now going to be using the City Custom Cash and the Freedom card, which I only have the Chase Freedom. I don't even have the Custom Cash yet. He then goes on to tell me more benefits about the card, saying starting February 1st, Gold Card members get $10 in Uber Cash and then Uber rides. My then main argument to this that I made in that video is that it's very annoying to use these each month because you have to keep track of them. Every month they reset. It's either use it or lose it. If you don't use it one month, they don't carry over. Kevin then goes on to say that unfortunately there were no retention offers, but they may change daily. So I left it as this. I did get a retention offer last year, so I didn't really expect to get one this year. So then 2 days later, I go back to American Express and say that the annual fee has posted. I was wondering if there was a retention offer that I could go to. Notice I particularly called out retention offer. And I say, hello, good morning. Nikki greets me. She says, I see your question. Let me connect you to a membership consultant to help you make a decision. I then go ahead and say the same thing again about me wanting to cancel the card, asking if there were any retention offers. She says, let's go through and look at all the value. She asks how much I do for supermarket and restaurant spend. I say around $1,500 per month. However, I have been using the 5% rotating categories on the Chase Freedom card because 5% is greater than the 4.4 that I get with the Charles Schwab. She once again goes through and talks about the $10 a month Uber Eats credit and the $10 a month dining credit. And again, she mentions that I did have a retention offer last year during the pandemic. Considering that your association, we offered you 10,000 points last year, so we don't have a retention offer this year, and this makes sense. So after a few days, around September 29th, I went in with the expectation of 100% canceling my card because they said no to a retention offer both times, so I was thinking I was out of luck. However, if you notice how I led this conversation with, I just said after consideration, I want to cancel my Gold Card. I was going in 100% sure I was going to cancel it. He then says, let me transfer you to a membership consultant. We go through the whole thing again. With the American Express Gold Card, you get all these benefits that you've already known that you've been getting. And I led with, again, saying I find that these credits are difficult to use, they're tedious, and I'd rather have one lump sum of credit than having all of it. Again, I was going in with the expectation that I was just going to cancel. He says, I see your point and I understand it. So I didn't really expect that. He said, you have a phenomenal account with us. Would you be interested in hearing a special offer to help you get better value? And at this point, I was kind of caught off guard because they told me twice before I didn't have a retention offer. So them saying this without me calling it out kind of gave me a little bit more interest. So then here you can see I was offered 15,000 membership reward points for spending $2,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. And then after I was offered this, I was shocked because I got a retention offer last year and I only put around $1,500 worth of spend in the Gold Card in 2021 because I've just been using other cards that get better purchase protection. So I was thrilled. Yes, absolutely. This sounds great. I will totally spend $2,000 on this card. After this, he goes through and reads me the disclosure saying that you have to keep your card open for 1 more year. Obviously, you have to pay the annual fee. Now effectively getting, $150 off a $250 annual fee, making the effective annual fee positive is a total win for me. I will totally accept this deal. After I accept the offer, I say thank you very much. He says, you're most welcome. Congratulations, the offer has been activated. So I want to recap a little bit about what I did differently the third time. The first 2 times, I specifically called out for the retention offer. I said, do you have a retention offer available? And I think they caught that bluff a little bit. They knew I was just kind of fishing for a retention offer, and they may not be as willing to give me one, knowing that I was specifically looking for one. Rather than the third time, I was just going in expecting to cancel my card. I was basically made up my mind. I didn't think they would give me one, so I was going in with the expectation of canceling it. And I think this is where you can use for your future benefit that if you do win a retention offer, don't draw attention to it. I think you may get more benefit just by saying you want to cancel the card and then seeing what they say in response. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Jackson. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe and leave a like on this video down below. Thanks again. See you guys next time. Take care.